go, go. Go, go. Pull it. Yeah! Don't let it go that fast. Just keep it constant. Don't go behind them because they're also creating waves, so yeah. Dude, you don't have to counter steer so much, just like fucking go with it. Even if it's like not going where you want it to go, you're not gonna hit anything, so just fucking go. Go, go, get some gas, give me. Go, 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 go! No. Come on, man. Jump, hit a jump. Come on, hit a jump. Yeah. No, don't slow down. Hit it, hit it. Hit it. Ah, you suck. Just don't let go of the gas. It's going to be a lot worse, trust me. Go there, go. You wanted to see it. Go, you fucking max it out, bro. Go. It's so safe, and it's a lot calmer over here, I think. Go, it's fine. Don't worry about me, I won't fall off. Let me check the GoPro.